Hi, it's me, Jess. I wanted to talk about LinkedIn because, as some of you know, I am a corporate recruiter and I use LinkedIn as a tool to find people online that I think will be a good match for open positions at my company. So, I am always really surprised when I talk to someone and they're looking for a job. They tell me this, they're looking for a job in a professional field and they don't have a LinkedIn profile. So I was thinking about this, and I really think that every person should have a LinkedIn profile no matter what profession they're in. And primarily it's because it's like an online networking site. It's a great way to make connections online. And being in the recruitment and human resources space, I know that hiring managers, staffing agencies, corporate recruiters are all on LinkedIn trying to find talent to bring into the organization. So I was also thinking about, well, maybe if I'm not looking for a job, I would want to create a LinkedIn profile. But there's also reasons why you would want to create a profile even if you weren't actively on the market. So I've got three reasons that someone would want to create a LinkedIn profile. Number one is just for networking with other people. So if you like to talk to a group of people that are like you or like minded people, LinkedIn is a great place to connect. There's plenty of conversations that are had on trending topics that are going on, whether it's job related to more so just trends in certain markets. It's just a great place to find people that you have similarities with. You can find them in your location, whatever city you're in. LinkedIn is global, so you can find people no matter whether you're in the US or you're in other countries. It's just a great place to easily find people. Let's say maybe you're looking for a mentor. It's a great place to find someone. And generally, people are friendly on the site and willing to talk to you in some capacity, whether it's online or actually you're sharing contact details and talking over the phone. It's just a very good place to kind of build connections and build relationships, initially online, but that can also develop offline. So that is my first one. The second one is going to be promoting your business. Let's say you're self employed. Well, if you're offering any kind of professional services, there's plenty of professionals online on the LinkedIn, and companies are actually doing this. Lots of companies are promoting themselves and their brand on LinkedIn, and it's just a great market. There's plenty of people on there, potential customers that you can actually engage with. So I know personally, I know public speakers, I know motivational coaches, trainers, career specialists. There's even folks that have their own nonprofits that are marketing and kind of, I guess, building awareness about their organization online. So it really is a good place if you are a business person looking for an alternate route that you can take to engage with other audiences. All right, so my final one, my third one, is going to be, of course, jobs. I'm a recruiter. So, since I am a corporate recruiter, primarily I'm on LinkedIn, sharing maybe tips about interviewing and jobs, or I am looking for people to fill my open positions. So, if you are someone that maybe you're trying to figure out different routes that you can take within your career, plenty of people you can look at and kind of see where their background was and how they got to where they are today that you can look at for examples. You can also look at potential job openings. So you can look at maybe where you are now, and start thinking about, oh, 5 years from now, what do I want to do? These are some different opportunities that different companies have. You can start kind of looking at the market, looking at specific companies that would be on your target list of places if whenever you are kind of on your job search. So anyway, those are just 3 things that I would highlight in particular about using LinkedIn and engaging on LinkedIn. Even if you're not actively looking for a job in this moment, you can definitely network with people. You can promote your business if you're self-employed, and you can connect to job opportunities in some way. So whether that is you kind of thinking about where you want to go over the next year or so, to kind of really thinking about your career and where it could take you, and getting ideas from others that might be in the place that you're wanting to be. So anyway, I encourage everyone to create a LinkedIn profile. It's a great way to just make some new connections. Most people are out there. I think I can find a stat on how many people are actually, okay, so 630 plus million members. So that many people are on there, and stats are saying that there's a hire made every 8 seconds from LinkedIn. Why not? Why not? So anyway, this is Jessica making another video, and this time I'm talking about building your LinkedIn profile. So if you think that LinkedIn is useful, or if you don't think LinkedIn is useful, I'd love to hear from you. Will you create a LinkedIn profile? If not, let me know why. I'm super interested in hearing from you. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.